Here's how to fix Call of Duty Modern Warfare 2019 crashing on Steam. This crash has a few known causes. The first is having too large a Steam friends list, a known bug where a few hundred friends can cause crashes, so consider trimming your list if it is unusually large. The second is Steam usernames the game flags as inappropriate. Even seemingly normal usernames have been reported to trigger this, so try changing your Steam username if you suspect this applies to you. Next, verify your game files. Go to your Steam library, find Call of Duty MW19, right-click it, select Properties, then Installed Files, and click Verify Integrity of Game Files. Make sure your graphics card drivers are fully up to date. Search for Check for Updates and confirm Windows itself is fully updated. Then restart your computer. If none of these resolve it, uninstall and reinstall the game completely as a final step. If this helped you out, hit that subscribe button for more straight-to-the-point tutorials on Step by Click.